Hello, student. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to solve 30 most important extract based MCQs for the chapter Two Stories About Flying. There are two stories in this chapter. First one is First Flight, and second one, Black Aeroplane. So let's see question number one on your screen. Before that, I would like to remind you ठीक ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे जाने हैं. आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट्स दिए जाएंगे और साथ में 5 क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में दिए जाएंगे. यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट वन, आई न्यू आई कुड नॉट फ्लाई अप एंड ओवर देम एंड आई डिड नॉट हैव एनफ फ्यूल टू फ्लाई अराउंड देम टू द नॉर्थ और साउथ. आई ought to go back to Paris. I thought, but I wanted to get home. I wanted that breakfast. तो ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट है ये ब्लैक एरोप्लेन से है. वी हैव क्वेश्चंस. वाई कुड द नरेटर नॉट फ्लाई ओवर और अराउंड द स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स. जो नरेटर है हमारा क्लाउड्स के पार क्यों नहीं उड़ पाया? ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ फ्यूल, ड्यू टू अ ब्रोकन कंपस, ड्यू टू अ ब्रोकन रेडियो, ड्यू टू द डार्कनेस. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ फ्यूल. ही वॉज लैकिंग इन फ्यूल. वेयर वॉज द पायलट ऑफ द डकोटा प्लेन फ्लाइंग टू. कहाँ उड़ के जा रहा था ये डकोटा प्लेन का पायलट? इंग्लैंड टू पेरिस, इटली टू पेरिस, पेरिस टू स्पेन, पेरिस टू इंग्लैंड. He was going back to England. From where? From Paris. Paris to England. This is the correct answer. Why did he not go back to Paris? He was too tired to fly back. He was anxious to reach England. He was excited to fly through the storm. None of these. What is the correct answer? He was anxious to reach England. Correct answer is he was anxious to reach England. Who is the author? Who is the author of this lesson? Frederick Forsyth, Liam O'Flaherty, G.L. Fuentes, Nelson Mandela. The very first option is the correct option. Frederick Forsyth. This is the correct option. How could the narrator have flown around the storm? By flying to the north, by flying to the south, by flying either to the north or south. The correct answer is by flying either to the north or south. Now, second one, his parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise, exhausted by strange exercise. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no further. ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट है वो फर्स्ट पार्ट से लिया गया है, इज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से. क्वेश्चन नंबर वन, व्हाट डिड द यंग सीगल स्क्रीम व्हेन ही लैंडेड. जो यंग सीगल है बर्ड, वो चिल्लाता क्यों है? व्हेन ही लैंडेड, आउट ऑफ इलेशन, आउट ऑफ फियर ऑफ सिंकिंग, आउट ऑफ एंगर, आउट ऑफ डिस्गस्ट. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? आउट ऑफ फियर ऑफ सिंकिंग. दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. आउट ऑफ फियर ऑफ सिंकिंग, डूबने के डर से. हाउ डिड हिज पेरेंट्स, ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर एनकरेज हिम. उसके माता पिता, उसके भाई और बहन कैसे उसको एनकरेज करते हैं? बाय स्क्रीमिंग एंड ऑफरिंग हिम स्क्रैप्स ऑफ डॉग फिश, बाय फ्लैपिंग देयर विंग्स, बाय फ्लाइंग अराउंड हिम, बाय हेडिंग इनटू वाटर फर्स्ट. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बाय स्क्रीमिंग एंड ऑफरिंग हिम स्क्रैप्स ऑफ डॉग फिश. वेयर डिड द यंग सीगल लैंड. कहाँ पे उसने लैंड किया यंग सीगल ने? ग्रासलैंड्स, मूर्स, अ बीच, द ग्रीन सी. What is the correct answer? The green sea. I hope you are answering correctly. How were the young seagulls family beckoning to him? They were screaming at him. They were calling him shrilly. They were flapping their wings at him. They were flying around him. What is the correct answer? They were calling him shrilly. Choose the correct adjective to describe the young seagull. सीगल को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए कौन सा एडजेक्टिव सही होगा? राउडी, यू मस्ट नो राउडी मीन्स उपद्रवी. असर्टिव, कॉन्फिडेंट. फेंट हार्टेड, फेंट हार्टेड मीन्स टिमिड, डरपोक, कायर. इम्पेकेबल, विदाउट फॉल्ट, इसमें कोई फॉल्ट ना हो. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट वन? द करेक्ट वन इज फेंट हार्टेड. Next one, inside the clouds, everything was sudden black. It was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. I looked at the compass. I could not believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. It would not work. ये फिर से ब्लैक एरोप्लेन से है सेकंड पार्ट से. व्हाट डिड इट बिकम इम्पॉसिबल फॉर द नरेटर टू सी. नरेटर के लिए देखना इम्पॉसिबल क्यों हो गया? ड्यू टू सडन रेनी स्टॉर्म, ड्यू टू पुअर नाइट विजन, ड्यू टू द डार्कनेस इनसाइड द स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स, ड्यू टू अ ब्रोकन विंड स्क्रीन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ड्यू टू डार्कनेस इनसाइड द clouds. This is the correct answer. Why was the aeroplane twisting in the air? Because the plane could not be kept under control. Because all the instruments of the plane had stopped, both A and B. None of these. You can easily answer it. The correct answer is both A and B. वो कंट्रोल में नहीं था एरोप्लेन और इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जो थे उन्होंने भी काम करना बंद कर दिया था. Why did the narrator not receive any answer from पेरिस कंट्रोल स्टेशन? पेरिस कंट्रोल स्टेशन से, कंट्रोल रूम से कोई आंसर उसको क्यों नहीं मिला? बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट इन हिज राइट माइंड, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट लिसनिंग टू देम, बिकॉज ही वॉज डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, बिकॉज हिज रेडियो वॉज ब्रोकन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बिकॉज हिज रेडियो वॉज ब्रोकन. वट प्रॉब्लम डिड द नरेटर फेस इन द स्टॉर्म? कौन सी प्रॉब्लम का सामना उसको करना पड़ा स्टॉर्म में? ही कुड नॉट सी वेयर ही वॉज. He got lost in the storm. All his instruments had stopped working. All of these. What is the correct answer? All of these. This is the correct answer. What enticed the narrator to keep flying to England despite the storm? क्या ऐसी चीज थी जिसने उसको अट्रैक्ट किया? Enticed, उड़ते रहना इंग्लैंड की तरफ. क्या उसके मन में था? Reaching home in time for a big English breakfast, leaving Paris, outsmarting the storm, breaking a record. The correct answer is reaching home in time for a big English breakfast. Fourth one, then his father flew over him, screaming. He saw his two brothers and sister flying around him, curveting and banking, and soaring and diving. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out over the ocean. Now the questions. Once again, this is from first one, his first flight. Liam O'Flaherty. Who flew over the young seagull screaming? कौन उस यंग सीगल के ऊपर उड़ करके जाता है चिल्लाते हुए? His mother, his brothers, his sister, his father. Correct answer is his father. How were his two brothers and his sister flying? उसके दो भाई और एक बहन कैसे उड़ रहे थे? Curveting and banking, soaring and diving, both A and B. None of these. It's very easy. Both A and B. Where was the young seagull now? Young seagull अभी कहाँ था? Near the sea, near the grassland, near the lake, near the edge. Where was it? It was near the sea. The correct answer is near the sea. What did the young seagull commend himself to do? Commend, to praise, सराहना करना अपने आप की. किस बात के लिए? To dive, soar, curve, all of these. What is the correct answer? All of these. What change took place in the young seagull? Young seagull में क्या change आया? He became afraid. He became self-reliant. He became cocky. Cocky means arrogant. None of these. इनमें से कोई नहीं. He became self-reliant. The correct answer is he became self-reliant. Fifth one. This is the second last. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north. Once again from black aeroplane. In front of my Dakota so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane like an obedient child. चूंकि वो तूफान में था, उसको एक दूसरा एरोप्लेन दिखता है जिसकी लाइट नहीं जल रही थी. ही कॉल्स इट ब्लैक एरोप्लेन. उसी को फॉलो करके वो अल्टीमेटली रनवे पे आ जाता है, एयरपोर्ट पे आ जाता है. क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड द पायलट ऑफ द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन ब्रिंग हिज प्लेन इन फ्रंट ऑफ डैकोटा एरोप्लेन? नरेटर के एरोप्लेन के ठीक सामने वो क्यों आता है अपना एरोप्लेन लेकर के? so as to overtake Dakota. So Dakota could follow it out of the storm, so as to block Dakota's view, so as to distract Dakota. The correct answer is so Dakota could follow it out of the storm. How did the pilot of Dakota land safely through the storm? Kaise? Due to pilot's sharp instincts, by following the strange aeroplane, by using a compass, by hovering until the storm passed. The correct answer is by following the strange aeroplane. How has the other aeroplane been described? किस तरह से उसको डिस्क्राइब किया गया है? With black paint on it, with no lights on its wings, with no one flying it, with a smiley captain flying it, with no lights on its wings. This is the correct answer. उसके विंग्स पे कोई लाइट नहीं जल रही थी. That is why it is called black aeroplane. How did the narrator follow the other plane? Like a stubborn child, like a sheep, like an obedient child, like a skeptic. बिल्कुल संकालू व्यक्ति की तरह से. How? Like an obedient child. What shocked the narrator when he tried to inquire about the strange airplane at the Paris control station? उसको क्या झटका लगा? That he was in England, that Dakota was the only plane that showed in radar, that he landed somewhere else, that the pilot was unidentified. The correct answer is that Dakota was the only plane that showed in radar. तो वहाँ पे जो लेडी थी उसने बताया कि केवल इसी का प्लेन रडार में दिखा और कोई प्लेन नहीं दिखा. Now last one, do tell me your score in comment section. Out of these 30 questions, how many of your answers were correct? He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. His first flight से ये है, first part से. Question: what was stretched down beneath? Moors, a beach, the vast sea, grassland. What was there? The vast sea. What was the cause of the young seagull's fear? Young seagull की fear का कारण क्या था? His belief that his wings will never support him, his inferiority complex, his lack of training, his fear of heights. What is the correct answer? His belief that his wings will never support him. This is the correct answer. What happened when he attempted to flap his wings? जब उसने अपना विंग फ्लैप करने की कोशिश किया तो क्या हुआ? He froze, he became doubtful, he became afraid. None of these. What is the correct answer? He became afraid. वो डर गया. Where did the young seagull sleep at night? कहाँ सोया वो? In a hole under the ledge, on the brink of the edge, on a bed seaweed. None of these. What is the correct answer? In a hole under the ledge. This is the correct answer. In a hole under the ledge. Now last one in this video. Which word is the opposite of unlikely? Unlikely मतलब जिसकी संभावना न हो. Never, certain, away, brink. Opposite बताना है आपको. So what is the correct answer? Certain. Certain is the correct answer.